Ababa. Just to Addis.
Addis. We're landing in Addis. How are you feeling about the trip? You excited?
Yeah, pretty excited. A bit tired from just doing nothing.
What's our plan for this afternoon?
Not a lot.
We're just chilling?
Yeah.
What time is it when we get there?
It's about nearly 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Chill? Go out to dinner?
We go to dinner.
Is Ethiopia the place where they have a lot of vegan food, or is that the wrong country?
Yeah, it's Ethiopia.
Ooh.
So it should be right.
Good timing.
One night to be confused, one night to speed up truth. We had a promise made, 4 hands and then away. Both under influence, we had divine sin to know what.
We've arrived at the airport. Exciting. We're waiting for Ireland right now. It's mostly local, so we feel like we stand out a lot right now. Can't wait to just have a shower and relax. And somehow I'm hungry, even though you guys have seen how much I've eaten for the past 24 hours. We're happily surprised to see that our bags arrived very quickly. We're still waiting on Ireland, but I reckon we're going to find it. What are all the goats doing?
And this ship.
It's a little dark, I don't know why, but there's just very particular lights. And there's a very blue light in here. Look at this. It's kind of arty.
So good.
I like it.
Yeah, I know.
I can see each other's heads. So that's all good. That's all good. That's all good for nakedness. Those of you who know cameras, I'm on 2000 ISO with my iris fully open, and this is still how dark it is in this hotel. It's so dark, and I'm in the lightest part near the window. If I go back, I have no idea why. We have all the lights on too. It's totally bizarre. But anyway, we've now arrived in our hotel room, and we had the funniest thing happen. Our mum, Island, and I wanted to go get a photo, so we left Dad with the bags, and then we walked out. And then we're like, okay, cool, we're about to get the photo. They're like, you can't go back in there. So we literally had to walk the whole building back around, go through security, take off our shoes and belts and everything, just to get back to Dad and help him with the luggage. And photo wasn't even good, and that's the funniest part about it. But we're here and we're queer. New shorts, a bit longer than my normal ones, so it's a bit more appropriate to wear. And look how bright it is. Very nice. Very nice. They have a balcony. What? Well, we were just speaking to reception because we found another room that's more like this one and it has a double bed, and we're like, okay, cool, Alan and I can sleep in that, and then we can have a room with more light, better Wi-Fi. We ask and they're like, no, you can't. Like, oh, is it taken? We're like, no, because it's 2 girls. Apparently that's a problem here. Apparently. And I was like, no comment. And then I ran off because it was just...
That's just a little bit to take a photo.
Da, 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 da. Last week.
Explain why you're out of breath.
Well, altitude. I'm not unfit, well I am a little bit, but... So I can have all of the soups, but chicken soup, which is cool. Oh my god, that one has... Oh, it has egg in it, but if I... Oh wait, it has chicken. Yeah, no, kind of that. Side note, if I took like 4 weeks to upload this Q&A, it's because this is meant to be one of the best Wi-Fis, and we ain't got nothing. Also, we can't get into Facebook because it's probably banned or something.
Should we start?
No, we can share both of these because they're both vegan. Very nice. They got their colourful soups.
It's a long rice.
That's a long rice. So, well, I thought
like
that.
7 veggies.
Turns out Facebook is blocked.
We're all in misery.
Now we're fine. Snacking on salad.
49 a block.
You know you want later.
Well, Oh, my parents here. The power has gone out. The Wi-Fi's gone. All the lights are off. Your power out
We
too?
may need to evacuate because a transformer blew up down the street and there's a massive fire. And now the base of the hotel's on fire.
The base of this hotel.
This hotel, yeah.
What do we do with our shit?
No, it should be fine, but just I'm going to go and investigate. But I was looking out the window and there was a massive explosion. Because there was a massive explosion down there.
Holy shit.
And so there was massive flames, but they've gone now. All these power poles, the TV,
Farted, sorry.
all these power poles started shaking. And then suddenly a fire started down here.
Oh wow, yeah.
No, it should be right.
You need the dodgy restaurant sign.